What's up guys, this is Sonny back with another video. Today we have a product from Tonor. So basically I managed to pick up this Tonor USB condenser microphone from Amazon for $49.99. And the reason I picked up this Tonor TN120079BL microphone, because this microphone doesn't need an external power supply, so you don't have to spend extra $20 and buy a phantom power supply, or this microphone doesn't need a sound card. So you can easily connect this microphone to your computer USB port, and just if you have a Windows computer, you can jump into sound setting and just set the level to maybe 80% and you should be fine. Same thing with if you have a Mac or Linux. This microphone is a great microphone for someone who like to do like live stream, gaming, and also like if you are a Twitch streamer, or if you're someone who is starting a YouTube channel and you are in budget, you should definitely put this microphone in your list because you will be satisfied with this microphone, the sound quality, and also this microphone will give you less headache than a microphone with a phantom power supply, because sometimes if the power supply goes bad, you have to buy another power supply, or if the sound card goes bad, you have to buy another sound card. And most of the time those cheap sound card that comes with the microphone doesn't sound good. There's always background noise and stuff. Alright, so real quick, let's unbox this Tonor TN120079BL microphone and show you guys what comes inside the box. So the first thing we have here, pop filter, okay? And seems like pretty good quality. So if you just buy just the pop filter from eBay or Amazon, I think will run you around maybe $10 to $12. So that's at least $10 to $12 pop filter right here. And also we have here windscreen. If you don't like using the pop filter, then you can just use the windscreen. And if you want to use the pop filter, then you don't have to use the windscreen. Now the windscreen does look like a generic windscreen, so you can use it with maybe other microphones. Also we have a shock mount here. Okay, seems like a pretty good metal build quality, and also there is like foam inside the microphone where the microphone will sit, so the housing have like a good foam. What else we have here? All right, so this part will go, okay, all right, so basically this part will mount on your desk, and then the boom arm will go top on this mount right here. And then we have here our scissor boom arm. So basically this part will get hooked here and you can mount this one to your desk. All right, what else we have? And then we have a USB cable, seems pretty long. Okay, so this USB cable will go from the microphone to your computer USB port. Right, so seems like does come with like a 5 feet USB cable. Okay, not bad. So we have the microphone here. You guys can see all black and really good all metal build quality. So this microphone doesn't come with XLR cable. So you guys can see this microphone does come with your USB connection right here. You can connect this microphone to your computer motherboard USB 2 port, and also you guys can see there is a volume control here. So basically with this volume control you can basically raise the volume input level either high or low, so you can control from the microphone. And overall the build quality is really good. And the last thing we have here, user manual. If you want like in-depth specs, frequency response, everything is here. And also this user manual will help you basically set up your microphone with either Windows computer or Mac computer. All right, so let's just jump in and test this microphone and show you guys how this microphone perform and if the sound quality is any good. All right guys, so real quick, let's test Tonor TN120079BL USB condenser microphone. So the distance between my mouth and the microphone right now around 14 inches. And also I'm not using the windscreen. As you guys can see, I'm using the pop filter. Now if you guys use the windscreen, then you don't need to use the pop filter. All right, make sure when you use the pop filter you have at least 3 to 4 inch distance from the mic to the pop filter, because that's what they recommend you to do. Now real quick, let me show you guys how you can set up your Tonor TN120079BL microphone with your Macintosh computer or Hackintosh. So let's just jump into system preference and go to sound, and you guys can see we are in the input right now, and choose your microphone. So you guys can see my microphone here, Q9-1, so click on that. And also set the input volume level. So I like to set my volume level to around 80%, because I feel like that's like the sweet spot for this Tonor microphone. So you guys can see I did set the volume input level to 80%. Alright, so real quick, let's just test this microphone from certain distance. So right now we are testing from around 14 inches from the pop filter to my mouth distance. So testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing Tonor TN120079BL USB condenser microphone. So I believe right now I'm like 10 inches from the pop filter, my mouth distance. So right now we are testing Tonor TN120079BL USB condenser microphone. So right now I believe I'm like 2 inches away from the pop filter. My mouth distance from the pop filter is around 2 inches. So right now we are testing Tonor TN120079BL USB condenser microphone. Alright guys, so overall I think this microphone is a great budget microphone. I think this microphone is great for gamers, streamers, you know, if you like doing a lot of live streaming stuff, podcasts. Definitely this microphone is great. For $49.99 you can go wrong. The reason I say you can't go wrong, because this microphone comes with a good quality boom arm, and also comes with a good quality pop filter. Also they do include windscreen, and overall everything about this microphone is just good for $49.99. If you guys want a link where you can buy this microphone from, I'll leave my Amazon affiliate link. If you guys do buy using my Amazon affiliate link, that will give me a small kickback, and that will help me run this channel. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any other question, leave in the comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys, and make sure don't forget to subscribe if you are watching me for the first time. See you guys next one. Peace.